Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. So I left the hospital around 3 p.m. and I had hiccups that lasted me about 3.5 hours to 4 hours afterwards. I went to sleep. I'm not exactly sure when. It was around 7 o'clock p.m., if I'm not mistaken. And then I woke up at about 7:50. The hiccups were gone. I tried everything before I went to sleep that I know of, from holding my breath, scaring myself, or somebody scaring me, as they would say, drinking water down. I tried honey, tried gargling salt water, which the honey and the salt water helped the back of my throat tremendously, because I was sounding more froggy than I am right now. Just the back of my throat was dry for some reason. But anyway, um, my main concern was those hiccups, because they just weren't going anywhere, and I've never had hiccups that persisted, that long. That was a long time. 4 hours of hiccups, that's a long time. And to top it off, alcohol, and I, I never got a complete answer as to how I can get these hiccups to stop. No one knows. No one could give me a remedy. I was still waiting for my sister to call me back, but she's a little tied up right now. So she'll still probably call me. But the hiccups are gone now. But at least she should be able to tell me what I need to do. Or if this is at least tell me if this is a side effect of the treatments, which one of my sisters did tell me that after treatment of another sort, it wasn't the same type of treatment that I took today, but their patients did experience hiccups every time. So every time that patient would take the particular treatment, that they would experience hiccups. So I sent a text out. I was like, if this is the least of my worries, then I'll bear this cup, because I certainly have a lot more going on than some hiccups. I can manage hiccups. Yes, depending on what you're getting done, or what you're breathing or whatever, that hiccups can actually hurt, especially if they persist for that long. They can hurt, and then you go from hiccuping to hiccup and burps, and that's what I was doing. And it and being that I have that nephrostomy bag, that's kind of right below my rib cage and my lungs. So every time my lungs expand and contract, I feel it. And sometimes it does hurt. But that was my main concern with these hiccups. And but I'm glad they're gone now. And I took a short video when I first left the hospital. It's the video where I was in the car on my way home, and I was just like and it just, I don't know. But anyway, I'm glad they're gone. Yeah, continue to pray my strength in the Lord. and I'll continue to draw strength from His well. His well is pretty big, deep and wide, deeper than any one I know. So I'll continue to pull on His well of strength. So I'm gonna see if I can get through this song laying down. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other. It reaches to me. I need Miranda Curtis to finish that song for me, or my boys Will and John Adams, here in Greenville. But that's what he is right now. He's more than that, but that's the aspect of my God that I'm talking about at this particular moment. He's my strength, and I know where my strength lies. And in the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up. Yes, you do. You lift me up. Oh, in the fullness of your grace, and in the power of your name, you lift me up. You lift me up. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, and it reaches to me. I'm done here.